everyone, my name is Komal Kailas Suryavanshi. So today's our video topic is methods overriding. So where come method overriding? So there is a polymorphism topic. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means many forms. Poly means many and morphism means forms. In polymorphism there are two types: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. So method overriding is the main part of runtime polymorphism. So what is runtime polymorphism? Runtime polymorphism, it is executes the program at the time of execution. It is called a runtime polymorphism because it is directly called by JVM. Then in method overriding is achieved by virtual functions, pointers and method overriding. Then we discuss about syntax of method overriding. The syntax of method overriding is: suppose class A. In class A we write a void show method, and then class B. Class B extends a class A. So there is code reusability. So there is also a void show method. That is the method overriding. So we discuss what is method overriding definition. When we write a method name in a subclass or superclass, there is same method name and same parameter. It is called a method overriding. And also a same classes and same return type. Different classes. That is method overriding. Then we discuss about rules of method overriding. So there is suppose one method. In method there is one superclass. If there is superclass, there is happen overridden or not overridden method. But there is no superclass in method. So there is a compilation error. So in method there is superclass. If it is yes, then it is a calls the subclass method, and if there is no, it calls the superclass method. Then we discuss about some ask interview questions about method overriding. So first question is about method overriding, that is, can we override the static method? So the answer is no. A static method cannot be override. It can be override in only runtime polymorphism, because in compile time polymorphism is also called a static binding. So there is no answer. Then our second question: why can we not override a static method in Java? So it is because static method is bound with class, where instance method is bound with the object, and static method belongs to the class area, and instance method is belongs to the heap area. Then our third question is: can we override Java main method? So answer is no. Can we not override Java main method because it is a static method? Then our fourth question is covariant return type. Covariant return type is a method overriding type. In covariant return type, parent parent class is greater than child class return type. So that is covariant return type. Then we call about then we discuss about change the scope of over. So this is all about method overriding in Java. Thank you so much.